Realme GT7 Pro vs iQOO 13, which is a better Snapdragon 8 Elite phone. Realme and iQOO are all set to launch their flagship smartphones in India in the near future. Realme has confirmed that it'll launch the Realme GT7 Pro in India on November 26th. On the other hand, iQOO will introduce its flagship iQOO 13 in the country in December. Interestingly, both models will be among the first in the country to be powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. The latest chipset from Qualcomm was recently unveiled and is the first chipset from the brand that's built using TSMC's second-generation 3nm process. Qualcomm claims that the new chipset offers 40% improved performance as compared to the Snapdragon 8 Gen 3 chipset. That said, Realme and iQOO are among the first manufacturers to launch their latest models with the Snapdragon 8 Elite chipset. With both of them launching in India pretty soon, here's a quick comparison between the Realme GT7 Pro and iQOO 13 to give you a fair idea about their features and specifications. Design. The Realme GT7 Pro comes with a premium design language. The handset features a flat display at the front with slim bezels, while the back panel offers a large camera module. The smartphone will be available in Mars Orange, Star Trail Titanium, and White color options. The Realme GT7 Pro measures 162.45 by 76.89 by 8.5 mm and weighs 228.8 grams. The iQOO 13, on the other hand, offers a similar look compared to previous iQOO models. You get a large offset camera module at the rear. Interestingly, the camera module comes with a halo light that can adapt to the game scenes and offers 72 light effects. The model is available in Legend, Track, Nardo Gray, and Green color options. The handset measures 63.37 by 76.71 by 7.99 mm for Track Edition and 8.15 mm for the rest of the color options. It weighs 207 grams for Track Edition and 213 grams for other editions. Display. The Realme GT7 Pro is loaded with a 6.78-inch 1.5K 8T LTPO Eco 2 OLED Plus microcurve screen. The display is claimed to offer up to 6,000 nits of peak brightness and 2600 Hz high-frequency PWM dimming. It also supports 120 Hz screen refresh rate and a 2600 Hz touch sampling rate. The panel supports 120% DCI P3 color gamut, HDR10+, and Dolby Vision. Meanwhile, the iQOO 13 5G packs a 6.78-inch Quad HD Plus curved BOE Q10 LTPO AMOLED display. The screen offers a resolution of 1440 by 3168 pixels and packs 144 Hz refresh rate. The panel is set to offer up to 4500 nits of peak brightness and 2592 Hz full high-frequency dimming. It also supports HDR10+, DCI P3 color gamut, and Dolby Vision. Performance and OS. In terms of performance, both models are powered by the latest Qualcomm Snapdragon 8 Elite processor. The latest chipset from Qualcomm is built on the TSMC second-generation 3Nm process. The chipset packs a second-generation custom-built Qualcomm Oryon CPU with 8 cores with a peak clock speed of 4.32 GHz. It also features Qualcomm Adreno GPU and enhanced Hexagon NPU for improved gaming and AI performance. Moving on, both the models pack up to 16 GB LPDDR5/6 RAM and up to 1 TB of UFS 4.0 storage. In terms of software, both models run on Android 15. The Realme GT7 Pro features Realme UI 6.0, while the iQOO 13 runs on FunTouch OS 15. In terms of the cameras, the Realme GT7 Pro packs a triple camera setup. The device features a 50-megapixel Sony IMX906 primary sensor with OIS support, an 8-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens with 120-degree FOV, and a 50-megapixel periscope telephoto sensor with 3x optical zoom and 120 Hz hybrid zoom. On the front, the handset comes equipped with a 16-megapixel camera with f2.45 aperture. The handset supports 8K video recording support as well. The iQOO 13 device is also loaded with a triple camera setup on the rear panel. Companies added a 50-megapixel Sony IMX921 sensor with f1.88 aperture, a 50-megapixel ultra-wide-angle lens, and f2.0 aperture, and a 50-megapixel telephoto lens with 4x lossless zoom. On the front, the handset is equipped with a 32-megapixel selfie camera with f2.45 aperture. The Realme GT Pro packs a 6500 mAh battery and supports 120-watt fast charging support. The device features an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and infrared sensor. In terms of connectivity, you get 5G, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, GPS, Galileo, Beidou, QZSS, NFC, and a USB Type-C port. On the other hand, the iQOO 13 is backed by a 6,150 mAh battery and offers 120-watt fast charging support. Just like the GT7 Pro, you also get an in-display ultrasonic fingerprint sensor and infrared sensor. Connectivity options include 5G, 4G LTE, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 5.4, NFC, GPS, and a USB Type-C port. To conclude, both models offer flagship-grade features and specifications. The Realme GT7 Pro and iQOO 13 offer competitive features and specifications. The Realme GT7 Pro packs a slightly better display, while the iQOO 13 offers a better camera setup if we go by the spec sheet. Moreover, both models come equipped with the latest Qualcomm chipset, which makes them one of the most powerful Android smartphones in the market. That said, pricing will be the crucial factor here, and it will be interesting to see how well both brands will price their models in India. So stay tuned with us as we'll keep you posted on the launch of Realme GT7 Pro and iQOO 13.